Hi everyone, I'm Shijulal from Spotupp Digital Promotions, your trusted partner in navigating the dynamic world of digital marketing. Welcome to our channel where we break down complex SEO strategies into actionable insights to help your business thrive online. Today, I'll be sharing key highlights from our latest article, SEO 2024, Key Algorithm Updates and Best Practices. Let's dive in. 2024 has been a monumental year for SEO, with Google rolling out several major updates. The March 2024 core update emphasized content quality, user experience, and multifaceted ranking signals. Websites with high quality, relevant, and in-depth content saw gains, while others faced a drop in rankings. In June 2024, Google introduced a spam update refining SpamBrain AI to better detect low-quality, spammy content. If you've noticed a drop in traffic, it's time to review your content strategy. Another exciting development is the Google Search Generative Experience, SGE. This AI-driven feature delivers quick, concise answers at the top of search results. To adapt, focus on conversational keywords and structured data to maintain visibility. Looking ahead, AI, voice search, and mobile-first indexing are shaping the future of SEO. Video content is also becoming a powerhouse, so leverage platforms like YouTube to boost your rankings. That's a quick overview of SEO in 2024. For a deep dive into these updates and actionable strategies, check out the full article on our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on dominating the digital landscape. At Spotupp Digital Promotions, we're here to help you stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.